All right, what is up, everyone? Hopefully, everyone is having a wonderful, relaxing weekend. This past week, trading was very difficult. The market has not been the greatest lately, and especially this past week. And a couple of days were a struggle, but we ended the week with a bang with US 30 and NAS 100. Now, granted, there was a lot of news this week, and anytime there's news, it's definitely going to impact the market, not only for the day, but it could be the following day. So, trading, the biggest thing is always staying in the game. And what I mean by that is protecting your account, which equals to risk management. Now, anybody can come to the market and press buy, press sell, and come in. If they're on the right side of the trade, make fast money very, very quick. But the biggest thing is just because you did good one day does not mean you're going to do good the next day. Now, with trading, the way I trade is I like to read the market, basically see what the market's been doing every day, what it's been doing the past couple of days, what's it doing the past hour. Yesterday we ended the day, between from Thursday night into Friday morning, between the signal on AUD US dollar here in the Telegram group as well as NAS 100 and US 30. I mean, we basically those trades trump the entire trades throughout the week. So all it takes is one good trade to basically recover all your losses and make profit. Now, the entire week was a massive roller coaster between one trade being up with profit, the next trade being down with profit, the next trade being up with profit, next trade being down with profit, and then up with profit. So it was a true tug of war battle with your account or my account for the entire week, right? But you gotta stay calm, cool, and patient, and you can't over leverage and over trade because again, the name of the game is to stay in the game, right? Small gains add up, and you need to survive. I tell people this that with trading itself isn't hard. It's like the mental part that's hard, right? Like you said, anyone can push a buy sell button, but a lot of people don't, they don't really fail at this. I think they just kind of quit, and because they can't deal with it. Trading is the fastest way, to make easy money, but it's also very, very hard with far as being like the mental parts because too many people will jump in a trade, they don't know where to put their stop loss, they don't know where to put their take profit, they don't know what size to take, they don't know if they should be using a funded account, they don't know if they should be using a real account. So these are things that people just need to figure out and see how which route they want to go with this. There's right way of doing things and there's wrong way of doing things, and just because you show somebody the right way of doing things doesn't mean they're going to necessarily do that. So I want to just do a quick little recap of yesterday's trades because it was Friday and just overall what I was looking at and my signals of the profit. Now, very first thing, guys, as you start diving into this YouTube video, make sure you guys click the link below this YouTube video to join our free Discord group. This is 100% free. I was actually on voice yesterday, so I was actually in what you'll see here in the Discord room is that you see this stage room, right? And what the stage room is that I actually jumped here on voice with commentary and talking through the US 30 and NAS 100 trades, basically, about me buying and what I'm looking for to do. So in yesterday's case, US 30, I was basically talking everyone through, the NAS 100 basically pushing over the highs and ripping up and areas of resistance. So, I mean, this was 100% free, right? 100% free, no cost. There's other guys out there that are charging anywhere from maybe $100 to $200 just for a Discord group to come chat, ask questions, hang out, learn. This is 100% free, right? 100% free. So for those that want to join, the link for that is below this YouTube video. And we have our paid VIP Telegram signals where we actually send out where we're looking to buy and sell in areas of our take profits. So you have options, right? You have options to go to the free group, and if you like what you see in the free group, and you can always decide to upgrade to the paid group. But this is some of the profits from members in the paid group. Like I said, every day is a good day. Whether we make money or break even or have a small loss. So this member here did 980 profit. This member here did over $1,000 in profit. This member did 1,000 profit. This member did $60 in profit. I could just keep going on and on with this all day. 125 profit, 1,000 profit, 42. I mean, even if you come every single day, right, and you just make $50 a day, you see what I'm saying? That's 250 bucks a week. That's $1,000 a month. extra $1,000 a month goes a long way, right? If you make $1,000 a month and basically send the money to your bank or ATM or whatever, boom, that's good money to play around with. Whatever hobbies you might have, that might be that you could easily, support those hobbies. Rather, maybe you like, like going to the shooting range or buying guns and ammo or whatever, or playing video games, or, maybe you motorcycle, you use the money every single month to make your motorcycle payment, which might be $200-300, who knows? You see what I'm saying? So with trading, like I said, it's endless opportunities, and the best opportunity right now is to start with a free Discord group. Again, it's 100% free. Some people might think we're crazy. Some people might think we're crazy for giving this for free. That we maybe should be charging 50, 60, $80 a month for this. But like I said, we were just focused on building a really good, solid team, community, and just pull like-minded individuals together. So let's talk about US 30 NOS 100. Basically, overall, what I was looking at with this one. So because the week was just so choppy, sell off, it's just so much news. Now, Friday, I wanted to see this one basically take off running, especially with, NOS 100. NOS 100 had a big, massive sell off. I mean, that was a huge sell off. We were basically in this consolidation pattern, and then we had this sell off. I was like, okay, well, what happened here? Okay, so, I was like, all right, well, we're basically consolidating right here. But is it possible to keep selling off? Yeah, but I'm actually looking for some sort of move back to the upside, which is why I put the buy signal out there, looking for that push back to the upside. It hit all areas of take profit. If we scroll down, you could see at that point I actually jumped in the trade kind of late. I meant to get in at 20260, but I actually ended up getting at TP1. I bought, and then obviously it was in at TP2, TP3, and made good profit on this one, right? Made really good profit. At this point, I was up. I closed out half. At this point, I was up $5,000, and then $6,000, and then $10,000. And again, I was in heavier size, but I was scaling out of this trade, closing partial profits as she kept going. At the same time, I kept adjusting my stop loss. So maybe at one point, my stop loss was break even, right? Or excuse me, break even, which obviously was TP1. But when she pushed up, right, I fluff my stop loss. I keep moving my stop loss up, right? A lot of guys will trade with basically they'll still leave like their stop loss all the way down here. It doesn't make sense to me. Why would you ever like let a winning trade become a losing trade? So basically, I was on the trade work for me, right? That was NOS 100. But prior to that, I did take US 30, right? I was in US 30 here exactly at the signal of 39, 9, 10. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. This one ended up started pull back, closed out the trade, basically came down here to this zone, and then she did finally rip up again. But look at this on the bigger chart, bigger time frame. You can see that this one was basically holding this support zone. It did kind of make a nice little move up here, but again, I was just looking for over the market to have a nice little squeeze because like the whole week was a sell off. So that's basically where my head was at with US 30 and NOS 100. Again, guys, very transparent about everything. Right? It's right here. The signal right here for NOS 100 with the take profit, and then the US 30, and most importantly is that I provided in the Telegram group, right? I showed everybody about the withdrawal. So this was yesterday's withdrawal. I withdrew basically $10,000, paid myself Bitcoin, and then prior to that, earlier in the week, I did another $5,000 withdrawal. And again, so basically this week I withdrew $15,000 in profit just to pay myself a little bit of money. Prior to that, those trades, guys, I'm just being transparent, showing you guys inside the Telegram group, the Discord group. And then this was a signal on AUD US dollar. This one, we sold it at the top. Hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, came down. And this is very similar, guys. You can see my stop loss that if this one were to retrace, I'd definitely walk out of this trade with profit. So the question is that are the signals, what kind of win rate are they maybe? Some people say they're 100%. Some people say that they're 85%. Some people say that they're 90%. But rest assured, these signals are over 80% because in theory, guys, once the trade goes in our direction, whether it's take profit 1 or in between entry and take profit, or even if it says break even, it's still a win, right? Percentage is based on not losing. It's a percentage is based on either a small win or break even. You see what I'm saying? So that was AUD USD. But throughout the week, like I said, we had some good trades. We have some bad trades. This was actually, I forgot about this other signal, US 30. This one jumped in here for a signal alert for the buy. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Had a nice and beautiful squeeze to the upside. So money's being made with the signals group. Again, free Discord group. People could join, ask questions, hang out. Everything's, we're just giving back to those out there, the community, because we understand that it's really, really hard for people out there to learn where to start, how to get started. We even have a free education section right here, which I'm going to add more and more education to this. So I really want to pack this with good, solid, quality education. So when people do join the Discord, that's 100% free. They're provided with free education. Some of these old videos are from MT4, which is complete garbage. We don't use MT4 anymore. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I really hope this video provides some sort of value for you guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and again, guys, if you're interested in joining the team, click the link below this video. Get signed up, 100% free, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a blessed weekend. Cheers.